In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Outlook app not working on iPhone. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection or you can switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Outlook won't work properly without a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Next up, launch Outlook app, force close it, and reopen it, since sometimes the app just glitches temporarily. If you are still having the issue, give a fresh restart to your device. Likewise, check for app update. Navigate to App Store, then search for the app Outlook. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version, as outdated versions can often cause syncing or login issues. You can also try removing and re-adding your email account inside the app settings, which helps fix account-related errors. Next, check the server status of Outlook. To do that, launch your preferred browser, type in Outlook server status, navigate to the website like Town Detector. Now here, if you found out any outages, wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. Lastly, you can completely delete Outlook. Press and hold on it, select Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete, navigate to App Store, search for the app Outlook and install it. And that's it. With this solution, your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.